Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. I have a fabulous open invite, and this is going to be my new series. I'm praying that it is not going to be a long video, but in order to understand the rules, I have to take my time and read everything here on my iPad. So I will be looking down as I read you the rules and to let you know about this new story series that I am kicking off starting in September, but I wanted to give everybody time, if you're going to participate, to get ready for it. So it's called Welcome to My Football Series. It's football season, baby. I am a New York Giants fan, even though I live down in the South, but I'm, originally from New Jersey. So I love the New York Giants. I don't get to watch them as much as I would like to, but once a fan, always a fan. So my series is the football season is getting ready to kick off, and the title of your video will always be, because this is a whole series until we get to the Super Bowl. It's going to be Monday Night Football Tablescape 20. And that will be the same as your hashtag. All the information will be down in my description box. The host is myself. If it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it, Kel. Make sure to mention my channel. Make sure to have my link in your description box. The date to upload. Now, I will have a list down in my description box for each week that we will be participating in the Monday Night Football Tablescape 20. So, the first one to kick off will be week 1, Monday, September the 24th, 2020. The time will be 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure to click the New York time zone. Okay, so these are the rules. Each month, I will post a video for a reminder, as well as the teams that are playing on that Monday. We're only doing Monday night schedule. We will not be able to do every time, whereas we're only to do Monday Night Football. Perhaps at the end of the series, if your team was not on the roster, we will do a favorite team tablescape leading up to the Super Bowl 2021. So being that I am cutting it just for Monday, your favorite team may not be playing that week. So what the rules are, if there's 4 teams that are playing, you would have to pick one team and decorate your table for that Monday. You can use paper products, which I suggest, being that we have a long type of series that's going on. You can use the paper products from the Dollar Tree. Make sure to Google the team that's playing for that week that you choose, to make sure that you have their colors. Now, if you have your favorite memorabilia for your favorite team and they're playing that Monday, by all means, decorate your table for your team. Like I said, my team is New York Giants. So I do have a couple things for New York Giants, so I will be decorating my team for the my tablescape for the New York Giants. So this was going to be a monthly series until Super Bowl 2021. Now, for example, week 1, which is kickoff Monday, September the 14th, we have 4 teams that are playing. Steelers at Giants, 7:15 p.m., and Titans at Broncos at 10:10 p.m. Now, I don't expect you to watch the games unless you're into football. But you will pick 4 out of those teams: Steelers and Giants, Titans and Broncos. For instance, Giants is my team, so I will be doing a Giants tablescape. If Steelers your team, then you do a Steelers tablescape, and so forth. I will have all the weeks that we will be participating with the Monday Night Football, and we're only doing week 1, week 4, week 8, and week 13. and then we go on to Super Bowl. So it's going to be a total of 5 tables that we will be doing. And I do have it listed here, and it will be down in my description box. So the due date is going to be Monday at 11 a.m. Now we're going to do our tables before they actually kick off. Okay? And this could be done outside. If you have, your husband has a man cave or whatever, get him involved in it. Make your videos, again, no more than 5 to 6 minutes. Please follow the rules for the challenge. The playlist will be available, and it'll be a different, I'm thinking of a different playlist every time, but I think that may get confusing, so we'll just use that playlist for the 5 videos that we do each. Absolutely, again, no DIYs in the video. If you do any DIYs, make sure to do a separate video so you can get your watch hours and your views. If there's any DIYs in the video, it will be removed from the playlist because we all came here to see a tablescape. So make sure to remember that when you are filming, no DIYs, do a separate one, that way you can get your views. And I want you to have fun, and I want to let me see your fabulous football tablescapes. And that's pretty much what the rules are. Again, I will have everything listed down in my description box. And again, use paper products. Dollar Tree, they have all the different colors from the rainbow at the Dollar Tree, and it'll be very simple and inexpensive. Now, if you are a diehard football fan and you got Eagles glasses and whatever team that you on, and you got the whole set, bring it out. So I cannot wait to see your Monday Night Football tablescapes, and we will be kicking off Monday, September the 14th at 11 a.m. So I will see y'all later, and as I always say, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying. It's football season, baby, so let's get ready.